Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. A few days ago, I broke a 210 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. And hey, this is June 13th, 2025, and this is going to be day 340 of consistently helping people build consistency. Here's the problem that lots of people face whenever they wanted to be consistent at doing something. They create on a plan, and then they manage to stick to it consistently for 5 or 6 days. But on day 7, something happened. Okay, maybe they forgot to do the thing, and yeah, basically they miss doing the thing. And the problem here is that people think that whenever they miss one day, it's all over. They lost all the progress. They have failed and they need to restart all over again, abandoning their previous plan. Okay? Or maybe they even lose the hope and basically just think, you know what? Yeah, I failed. I'm not going to be doing this thing anymore. And yeah, basically go back to their day-to-day life without changing anything. Here's the thing. The best consistency plan is only able to be achieved after you stumble upon a problem, after you actually execute the plan, and then you stumble upon a problem, you find a problem, and then you create on a solution on how to fix the problem and integrate that solution into the plan itself. Okay, so basically you can only create the best plan after you actually make some mistakes first. So here's the thing. Just like how applications go from version 1 and then they get updated to version 1.1 with better feature and less errors. And then they also get updated again to version 1.2 with even more better stuff and even less errors. You do not restart every time there's a bug, there's an error in your apps, right? So what do you do instead? So the thing that you do is you identify the bug, you identify the error, and then you create solution to fix the bug. We're going to be applying the same thing to consistency building. So let's say you wanted to be consistent at reading a book every single day, right? The thing that you wanted to be doing here is that you are going to be grabbing a pen and a paper, and then you basically create on a plan, okay? The plan can sound something like, oh yeah, version 1 of my plan, it's going to be reading a book for 5 minutes every single day, okay? It's a clear plan, specific plan, and you go with the plan, okay? 5 minutes of reading a book every single day. And the thing here is that every single time you miss doing a day, you didn't do your thing. You didn't do your 5 minutes of reading a book. You are going to be reflecting on yourself. You are going to be reflecting on the problem. Why did you miss the day? Why did you miss doing your thing? So for example, you forgot to do your thing. That's why you didn't do your thing. Okay? So this is the problem. You forgot to do it. So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be searching for a solution. How can we not forget to do the thing again? So the solution might sound something like, oh yeah, I'm going to be setting on an alarm in my phone so that I do not forget to do it. And also, create a specific time of the day when am I going to be doing the 5 minutes of reading a book. So yeah, we are going to be integrating the solution into the plan itself. We are going to update the plan, just basically write down on the paper, update version 1.1. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be, my plan is gonna be read a book. It's going to read a book for 5 minutes every day at 5 a.m. And I have set on an alarm to remind myself to do the thing at that particular time of the day. Okay? So basically, that's the thing. You create on a plan, you stumble upon a problem, you reflect on that problem, create a solution, and then you integrate the solution into the plan itself. You basically update the plan and not abandon it. Okay? And whenever you found a new problem again, well, basically you just repeat the procedure. Okay, you reflect again, find another solution, integrate the solution on the paper. Okay, so why do we write this thing on the paper? Basically to make things more clear. Okay, so that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It would really be meaningful for me. Join our Discord. And also you can support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. We really appreciate that. And for today's day authenticity post, today's memes are June 13th, 2025. And Mimzar posted a horse can plan ahead post last 24 hours, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.